Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find lock screen and security. Now let's scroll down again until you will find the credential storage section, and as you can see at the very bottom of it, we've got the option clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern, PIN or password, simply some kind of screen lock, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.